A very good morning to one and all present here. We, the students of 5C, will present our virtual assembly. I would like to welcome dear Rama Ma'am, Secretary, DSC Group of Institutions, who has always been the pillar of strength and support for all of us. Dear Shashi Ma'am, thank you so much for being a mentor to all. I heartily welcome you. We would like to welcome our principal, dear Veena Ma'am, who has been a source of inspiration and insight. I would like to welcome dear Anusia Ma'am, who has always guided us through every challenge faced by us. I would like to welcome our dear coordinators, Rimpa Ma'am and Kavita Ma'am. Darhas will sing the school song.
Class, stand please, attention. Stand please, attention. Everyone please stand straight. Oh God, be my friend and savior. Guard over my conduct and behavior. Oh God, be my friend and savior. Guard over my conduct and behavior. Inspire me to be a good student. Learn my lessons with prudence. Inspire me to be a good student. Learn my lessons with prudence. Oh God, be my philosopher. Promise to stand by me forever. Oh God, be my philosopher. Promise to stand by me forever. Guide me along the right course. Sense to learn true from false. Guide me along the right course. Sense to learn true from false. Make me worthy of my parents. Help me respect my teachers and friends. Make me worthy of my parents. Help me respect my teachers and friends. Give me courage and confidence. Mold me into a good citizen. Give me courage and confidence. Mold me into a good citizen. Oh God, bless my glorious institution, our precious Delhi School of Excellence. Our precious Delhi School of Excellence. Our precious Delhi School of Excellence.
Pledge by Abhinandan.
Position for pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Thought for the day by Dhruv.
When you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. I repeat, when you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may know something new. Thank you.
News by Shaunak.
Good morning everyone, this is 5C News Channel. I'll be your news reporter for the day, Shaunak. International news, Taliban takes over Afghanistan. Hundreds of people throng Kabul airport waiting to leave Afghanistan. In America, protests are going on against Joe Biden because of the crisis in Afghanistan. National news. After 75 years of independence in India, for the first time, Jammu and Kashmir is colored in tricolor and our national anthem is played. 8 terrorists have been killed in Sopore in Kashmir because they attacked BSF Jawans. Coming to sports news, in cricket in the ongoing 5-test series, India beat England in the second test by 151 runs to take 1-0 series lead. Thank you. Signing off, your news reporter for the day, Shaunak from 5C News Channel.
Sir, how may I help you? Sure, sir. This way, please.
Oh my god, these tiny etiquettes. These are so important in one's life. Come, dear, let us help everyone understand them.
When you meet someone over lunch or dinner, rise if you are seated.
Smile and extend your hand for a firm handshake. A good handshake lasts for 3 to 4 seconds.
Do you know that there's a certain order in which cutlery is placed on the table?
Yes, let us have a look at it.
Ma'am, the video is not coming properly from some days.
Hello everyone, I am Ahana, the head chef of 5C restaurant. Today I will tell you how a table must be set for the perfect dining table. On the left we place the fork, in the center we place the dining plate with the bread plate which should be smaller than the dining plate. On the right we place the knife with the spoon and the water glass. Once we have finished eating, place the fork inwards. Thank you.
Wow, Hannah, that was so well explained. By the way, do you know that once you take your seat, you must place your napkin on your lap and leave it until you finish?
Once finished, place the napkin loosely folded to the left of your plate.
Use a napkin to dab the corners of your mouth.
When you finish, do not push your plate away from you.
Start eating only once everyone is seated.
Take small bites and keep your mouth closed.
Bread and rolls must be broken with your hand.
Try not to gulp food and eat slowly.
Cut the lettuce. Pass it on to the right after serving yourself.
Sit straight and try not to lean on the table. Keep your elbows off the table. Pray for the food before eating.
Dear friends, I would like to show you one easy method in which you can fold napkins.
Restaurant. Today, I'm going to show you a wonderful method to fold napkins on dining table setup. Thank you. Come, come to the table with clean hands and face. Put your napkin on your lap. Start eating when everyone else does. Stay seated and sit up straight. Keep elbows and feet off the table. Chew with your mouth closed. Do not talk until you have swallowed your food.
Do not make bad comments about the food. Say please, pass the instead of eating. Chat with everyone at the dinner table. Do not make rude noises. Ask to be excused when finished. Thank your host or whoever prepared the meal. Offer to help clear the table and clean up.
5C concludes by saying the dinner table is the center for teaching and practicing, not just of table manners, but of conversation, consideration, tolerance, family feeling, and all other accomplishments of polite society except the minute. Please rise for the national anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय